Hi, I'm Mike at Farming Smarter, and we're here live out in the field, and I'm giving you a special sneak peek of our Ultra Early Durum plots. Dr. Brian Beres is going to be presenting on these Thursday, June 23rd at our field school. And so I'm just out here to get you excited, hopefully get you registered for the event, and show you some of the really interesting things we're seeing out here in our research and demonstration plots here. So in this trial in particular, the concept is to look at the ultra early seeding of durum. Durum's a little bit less competitive with its vigor, and there's maybe some potential issues for dormant seeding or seeding really early. So this trial is one of two trials that we're doing. This one in particular has 6 different soil temperatures that we looked at: 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8 and 10 degrees Celsius. And then there's 5 different durum cultivars. So we've got Defy, Stronghold, Transcend, Dawn Low, and Desire. And so with that we get 30 treatments and different combinations, ramp with a nice little chart of all the different temperatures and all the different cultivars for this trial. Typically we try and space our seeding dates 2 weeks apart. As you know, in southern Alberta, the weather doesn't always cooperate that way, and it didn't necessarily work that way at all this year. We had a couple big gaps where we were actually able to get out and seed this. The earliest this trial's ever been seeded was February 14th, and so this is the irrigated site we're at here. The Ag Canada folks have one just down the road that's dry land or rain-fed. We were able to get in and seed this February 14th. Some of these plots you can see behind me here, this is 0 degrees, so we came out, took soil temperatures, checked in the morning, checked again at lunch. We're only at 0 degrees when this was planted. So this would have been planted February the 14th. But you can see the stark contrast. This is a pretty typical seeding date for a lot of our other crops, but a little bit later. This is 10 degrees Celsius, so that would have been planted May the 4th. Then we've got everything in between basically. So I can come down here. This plot, this was seeded at 6 degrees, so that would have been April 15th for us. That's a pretty typical seeding date for durum. You can kind of see how well this 0 actually ended up doing. I'm pretty impressed by that. And you know, all the way down we just jump between the different cultivars and the different seeding dates. So there's going to be some really interesting things here Brian has to talk about, and we hope to see you on Thursday.